Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $25 every 60 minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm presenting to you guys today. Now, I'm not going to waste you guys' time. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this. So please watch this all the way to the very end so you won't miss any of the steps, any of the important steps that you need to take to make this money. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn up to $25 every 60 minutes. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet. I'm at this website. Now I'm going to show you two websites today. So this is the first one, and I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. So this is a user testing website, and what you're going to be doing is giving your feedback. So you're going to participate in quick design surveys to help make products better and get paid for doing it. And you're going to click here to become a tester now. So it's quick and easy to do. You don't need to be an expert to participate. In fact, most test creators prefer ordinary people over professional designers or developers. And you're going to earn credits with every response. So you get paid for each response you provide. Once you've accumulated at least 100 credits, you can request a payout through PayPal. And also it says here, 20 cents per credit. So user crowd pays 20 cents per credit earned. Most tests pay 1 to 2 credits per response, and some pay more. Payouts are with PayPal. You can request a payout when your balance reaches $10. So you're going to need a PayPal account to be eligible to receive payments. And then you're going to get real-time notifications when there's some more jobs available for you to test. So that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this website. So it's really simple, straight to the point. So if you want to go ahead and start on this website, go ahead and go to usercrowd.com. Now let me go to the next website. Okay, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is 3Play Media. So this website is a transcriptionist website. So if you know how to do transcription work, this would be perfect for you. But you don't really have to have that much experience doing it. Just basic skills, computer skills. So let's just scroll down here and just read a little bit about this site before I tell you about the jobs that they have on here. So this website is trusted by these companies here. These companies have worked with this website before. You got P&G, IRS, T-Mobile, and Autodesk. So all these companies trust this website and have worked with this website. So this is a reputable company here. All right, now, as soon as you come to this website, you're going to go ahead and go to Jobs. So you're going to click on Jobs right here. It's going to take you to this page right here. And as you can see, it says Transcript Editor Job. So you're going to click on that. And you see the jobs that are open right now. You got English Transcript Editor and Spanish Transcript Editor. So if you know how to speak Spanish, this would be good for you. And also English. So if you're bilingual, you can do both of these. So let's just click on the English Transcript Editor job. Okay, the English Transcript Editor description right here says we are looking for contract transcriptionist editors to transcribe recorded audio and edit imperfect transcription using our internet-based software application. So let's just scroll down here and see what the qualifications are. So excellent written communication skills, you need to have that. Excellent command of English usage, grammar, or punctuation. Experience with computer word processing, typing ability of at least 25 words per minute. Proficiency in internet research, ability to manage projects and work independently, and must be 18 years of age. And here's something that's nice to have qualifications is familiarity with Microsoft Excel and spreadsheet applications, and strong technical proficiency with computers and computer applications. Now here are the computer requirements. You must have a PC or Mac and high-speed internet. And the location is remote, so you don't have to be in a certain city because you'll be working remotely. And here's something that's very important you probably want to know is the compensation. So project-based, equivalent to $10 to $30 per hour, depending on your efficiency. And you'll be able to apply right here. So if you are interested in this, you can apply for this and start getting paid $30 per hour. Okay, so that's all I'm going to say about this website. If you're interested and ready to start working on this website, go ahead and go to 3playmedia.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now and start earning up to $30 every 60 minutes. So go ahead and sign up with those websites and you know what to do. Get this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And as always, help me to get 100 likes. It really helps my channel a lot if I can get some likes on this video and on all my videos. And please drop a comment down below and make sure you drop that hashtag get your grind on, so you can get a chance to win some free money. And please share this all around the world, all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to start making money online and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, one more thing before I go. I want to give a shout out to this person that left a comment on my last video. And that person, I hope I get your name right. That person's name is Kalinka XD. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for dropping that comment. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, that's it. Okay, Grind family, thank you for your support. I'm about to go ahead and get out of here. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now please go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
This is Rant TV.